Welcome viewers, welcome to Veda Pathshala. So our students who completed their third grade, fourth grade, or there are different age group students, but the brain is same to everyone. Let's check it, how speed they can do. Okay, so we are going to do Vedic trivia on multiplication. Let's start with using Vilokanam in Vedic maths. Let's start it. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Do it.
Yeah.
All of you do it and send the answer. It is like multiplication. So we are making it complex so that we are giving the question in a way it is by using Viloknam. Let's see how students identify the actual method of Veda Ganita. Can anyone tell what is this actual method?
38322000000.
Can you yeah, the first who started will be the winner of that particular 383
0 0
00
383220000.
382 382 383220000.
Oh, awesome. What is this method? Actual method is? It is any number into 9?
I did it any tables up to infinity, carry add rule.
Yeah, even it will be like the answer is everyone got the same answer?
It's different. You got
Yeah.
It's different.
20000.
383 2200000.
383. Okay, I just repeated the
Two.
answer 2 times. Okay.
38322
Okay.
and then 5 zeros.
38322 and 5 zeros, right?
5 zeros.
Okay, okay. I just repeated the first part again and again. Okay, sorry. And final answer is 3832250. That's awesome. Viewers, is it correct? We just check it in calculator. But our students don't use calculators. They use only brains. Okay. Let's move to the second one. Yes, it is correct. I know it is correct. Our students are like human robots. You see, if you have doubt, you see it. Ready? Do it.
The answer is 532250000.
Yeah, you stop.
532250000.
Already one person given the answer. Can you please tell me the answer?
That's
Five.
it.
Yeah, please wait. Please wait. First, who initiated? Please give the answer. Tell me.
383220000.
That is last one's answer. Now, for this question, please tell me.
2500000.
Tell me slowly, yaar. Okay.
532
532
22.
53222. Ah,
Only two twos.
2 twos. Okay.
50
0
50.
50. Okay. 50. Oh,
And then 3 zeros.
okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it the answer you want to tell?
Yes.
So
Yes, I got the same answer.
whenever someone starts first, remaining all of you, please don't. Okay, don't enter into that. Don't, like, it will be like crossing. Okay, it will create the confuse to the audience. Okay, don't make conflicts.
Okay.
Very good. Fine. Let's move to the next question. Shall we move?
Yes.
Do it and send the answer.
Two 6 8 6 0 0 0 0
2 6
8 6
8
0
6
0
0 0
0 0 0
0. Is
Three
this the
zeros.
answer? Ah,
Yes.
it's too fast. What is the actual method? What is the type of method it is? It is actual Veda method. What is it? Without Vilokanam, what is the method? Can you please tell?
3
Yeah?
digit into 3 digit.
Oh, it's 3-digit
Three-
into 3-digit multiplication. You did it very quickly, right? That's awesome. Yeah, that's nice. Fine. Let's go for the next Kahoo. Bo, 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 bo. Yep, we'll do one thing. We'll surprise the audience, okay? How did they do very quickly like that? They will think.
Nine eight four three zero one five.
Yeah, tell me 6.
9
Okay.
8 4
8 4
3 0
3 0
1 5.
1 5, and there is no zeros at the end.
1 2 4 zeros.
Yeah, I think it is like 8 4 3 3 0 1 5 4 zeros. 1 2 3 4. Is it?
Yes.
Is this the answer? Oh,
Yes.
awesome. You did very well. Let's go for the next question. And tell me, do it. I'm going to send this video in the WhatsApp group. I will show it to your parents, okay?
614
614 317
7 and 5 zeros.
Oh, nice. Awesome. That's good. Is it correct, viewers? Just check it in calculator. I think you are
Yes.
still typing in calculator, right? But our students already giving the answer. That is what the power of Veda Ganita. If you learn Veda Ganita, you can solve like a computer. Am I correct, student?
Yes.
Next, move to the next question, okay? I hope all of you remember this one. I hope all of you just see carefully. Okay. I need answer very quickly for this question.
The answer is
Yeah.
168.
160.
Answer is 4216. 4216.
1. Yeah, please tell me slowly any one of you.
4216
4216.
and 5 zeros.
Nice. Yes. You got the method right. Tell me what is the method is. It is 5 zeros,
2
right?
digit into 2 digits.
No, it's
No.
10's place same and 1's place adding to 10.
Okay, fine. You can use any one of the method, but the answer is same, right?
Yeah.
Everyone got the same answer, right? Yeah, which method is easy for you? You used it. That's it. But we can use both. Tens place same and units place add to 10. That like 7, 42 plus 8 to just 16. You see, it is very easy if we use tens place and sevens place. Very good. Even though you are very speed, that is the final outcome we need. Clear? Shall we move to next
Yes.
question? Next question is
Yes.
next question is do it. I'm asking in different combinations, but you are giving answer very quickly. How is it possible? Can you please tell me how is it possible?
The answer is
1, 1, 4, 2, 2, 5,
4 zeros.
and 4
1
zeros.
1 1 2
1, 1, 4, 2,
1 1
2,
4
5,
2 2 5 4 zeros.
and 4 zeros.
Nice, awesome. Hi viewers, I think you were surprised, right? This is the power of our students. They are very fast. We have so many awardee people here, Mr. 1, Mr. Teen, and cancel hero. We have so
No, what
many.
about me? I'm Miss 11, remember?
Yeah, ready? Let's move to the next question. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. It's like 236, 263, 263. Okay, don't get confused, viewers. Our students don't get confusion because they are very fast. They are like robots,
62068 and 3 zeros.
620 638 and 3 zeros. Is
No,
it correct?
62068. 62068 and 3 zeros.
Ah, awesome. It's awesome, right? Is it correct, viewers? Just check it in calculator. We'll do that. Let me check it in calculator. Sir, what is that, sir? You just giving the question before 10 seconds and they are giving the answer. Maybe they are using calculator. Like that, you have doubt? Okay, I will give one experiment. Shanu,
Yes.
you just come to on live. You just enable your video.
Okay.
Yeah, Shanu is here. He is one of my student. Shanu, yeah, he created a. Oh, okay. Shanu, can you please show your video like that? It should be like just you are using a keyboard. You're not using any calculator. The viewers should know. They should have belief. Okay? Ready? Shanu, are you ready? Like, ready? Do it, Shanu. You see all of you, I'm making as full screen. Like I'm just stopping the sharing of video and I'm making it as spotlight. You can see he's doing on paper itself and yeah, tell me the answer.
Happy answer.
Tell me the answer. Just wait. What is the problem? Can you please tell me?
85.
85 85
8658.
8658
Yes.
8658
86580
0
311. Zero.
111 00.
111.
Is this 00? 111 00 or only 10? Hello?
00.
00. Okay, tell me the answer.
answer is 96103
103
830.
8 3 zeros.
Yes.
Let me check it in the calculator. Everyone will check. Viewers, all of you please check it. Is it correct?
I got same.
Yep. Let me check it. Oh. The answer is right. Correct. Exactly. Viewers, now you understand that. Yep. This is the power of Vedaganita. Okay, Shanyuji, thank you so much for your presentation to clearing the doubt of all audience. Yeah, you can. That is the power of Vedaganita. You understand? Let's do the biggest sum in the world. Okay, guys? Let's prove our
Okay.
worth to the audience. Ready? Into do it. And I'm giving you only 30 seconds, maybe 30 to 1 minute. Okay. Okay, 1 minute because it is very big sum. I will give you 1 minute.
And
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me the answer. Tell me. Tell me the answer. Okay. I think we got.
Answer is 5727
Tell me slowly. Tell me slowly. Tell me. Start again.
57
57
5727
5727
45
45.
572745
Okay.
327
327
6988
6988
50
6988
50.
50. Okay. Five. Yeah, tell me. Hello. Use your mic nearer to your mouth so that it will be audible to me. Tell me louder.
And add 6 more zeros.
Okay, add
6 more zeros.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this the answer? You see,
Yes.
in 1 minute,
Yes.
our students did this, and like you know already, you have seen the web series like Sekuntala Devi. Okay, it is possible to each and every one. If you learn Vedaganita, you can solve like computer. Thank you so much, viewers, for your participation. Please visit our channel, Veda Pata Shala Sanju. Okay, this is the channel name. Okay, YouTube channel Veda Pata Shala Sanju. Okay, you just visit the channel, you can subscribe, and you will have that is the Veda Patashala is a place where we have to learn. You can learn anything you want. This is the place of education. Join together and learn together. Join with us and learn whatever you want. We have so many courses like coding, physics, chemistry, Vedic maths, and we are teaching so many additional activities like curriculum, like Carnatic music, abacus, and we are having very good faculty who are passionate about teaching, and you will get the benefit of what you pay, you will get the in terms of education. For each and every rupee, you will get the in terms of education. and we have best faculty. More than 30 faculty we are having in Veda Pathshala. Thank you so much. And okay, students, guys, say bye to all the viewers and thank you for your and congratulations. You did very well, very well.
Bye.
I say, all of you
Bye.
please tell, subscribe to Veda Pathshala. Sanju, can you? All of you, please tell.
Subscribe to Veda Pathshala, Sanju.
Thank you so much.